हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। नमस्कार आप लोगों को, हमारे प्रिय दर्शकों। आज परिमल लॉ जजमेंट टॉक्स के सेगमेंट में आज हम एक टॉपिक लाए हैं जिसमें जजमेंट आया हो। जजमेंट को भी हम आप लोगों को रूबरू कराएंगे। क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड 1973 सेक्शन 357 victim compensation powers of the appellate court of the high court or court of sessions and direct payment of compensation when exercising its power of revisions. Victim compensation is simultaneous with the final compensation is view taken a respect of the alleged offense. An example, whether it was committed or not, and thus there is no question of any imposition free finality of matter of the pre-trial. Supreme Court. In this case, before Sanjay Kishan Kaul and Abhay S. Oka Justice, Criminal Appeal number 205 of 2023. Appellant Talat Sanvi versus State of Jharkhand and another. ये respondent है. In this case, anticipatory bail, no victim compensation in proceedings for anticipatory bail. Interim victim compensation cannot form part of the bail jurisprudence. A criminal procedure code 1973 deals with section 438 anticipatory bail compensation. Whether interim victim compensation in proceedings for the anticipatory bail can be imposed as a condition for the sum. No questions of the interim victim compensation cannot form a part of the bail jurisdiction. Okay, and Criminal Procedure Code 1973 section 357 victim compensation power of the appellate court of the high court or session of direct payment of compensation when existing its power of revisions. Victim compensation is simultaneous with the final view taken over the respect of the alleged offense. And an example, whether it was so committed or not, and thus there is no question of any imposition pre-finally of the matter pre-trial. एंड इसमें हम 4 केसेस को हम रेफर किए हैं, जिसमें से फर्स्ट है धर्मेश वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ गुजरात 2021 का केस है, और सेकंड है आपका केस साहब आलम @ गुड्डू वर्सेस द स्टेट ऑफ झारखंड. ये आपका 24/8/2022. एंड थर्ड केस है उदय ठाकुर वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ झारखंड. ये क्रिमिनल अपीलेट नंबर हम बता देते हैं. अपील नंबर 703 एंड 704 ऑफ 2022. इसमें जो जजमेंट्स आया, इस तीनों केस के फैक्ट्स एंड सर्कमस्टांसेस एंड जो जजमेंट है उसको हम डिटेल्स वाइज आपको हम बताएंगे दोस्तों. तो संजय किशन कौल जस्टिस लीव ग्रांटेड द इशू रेज्ड इन द अपील is that whether interim victim compensation in proceedings for the anticipatory bail can be imposed as a condition for the same, and we do believe that the impugned order suffers from an infraction of law as the question of interim victim compensation cannot form part of the jurisdiction of jurisprudence and bail jurisprudence. This issue already stands clarified by the pronouncement of the court inter alia in the Shahab Alam versus Guddu versus State of Jharkhand and another. In Shahab Alam case, we had dealt with the orders passed by the learned judge in various matters granting bail on the condition of the dispositing substantive sums of the money without consideration of the requirements of bail depend on the nature of the offense. That's it. And thus it was observed that bail cannot per se granted if a person can be afford to deposit the money or has the capacity to pay. All the impugned orders were set aside and the matters was remitted back, and then thereafter in Uddhav Thakur case, the aspect of use of expressions victim compensation was found to be inappropriate as pre-arrest and proceedings are not money recovery proceedings. That's it. And move on. The matter in this case is one step further as it is not a payment of the money and deposit of money as a condition of grant of anticipatory bail, but the direct is the pay interim victim compensation in the proceedings for the anticipatory bail. ये क्वेश्चन हो सकता है ना. Then thereafter, looking back on the aspect of the victim compensation, we may note that in 1960s the victimology movement may waive for monetary compensation, offer an incentive to governments by linking such compensation to victims and cooperation in the pursuits in the criminal prosecutions. And Canada and several states within the United States began providing victim compensation and thereby encouraged in the participations in criminal prosecutions. The early and 80 witnessed the pioneers in the victimology and victim justice taking the predominant and initiatives of reforming the criminal justice system on behalf of the victims of crime. The UN Declaration on Basic Principle of the Justice for Victims and Abuse of the Powers was unanimously adopted by the General Assembly in 1985. The declaration made by way of specific rights and entitlements of victims of crimes, including the right to compensation right to compensation, then thereafter section 357 of the CRPC 1973 provides for the order to pay compensation when a court imposes a sentence of fine or a sentence including a sentence of death, of which fine form a part in circumstances enumerated therein. Subsection 2 imposes a limitation that when fine is imposed in a case which is subject to appeal, no such payment shall be made before the period allowed for presenting the appeal. The period allowed for presenting the appeal has elapsed, or if appeal is presented before the decision of the appeal under subsection 3, it is by way compensation for the person who has suffered any loss or injury, okay, by reason of the act for which the accused person has then so sentenced. Subsection 4 also provides for the appellate court or high court or court of sessions to direct payment for compensation when exercising its power to revision. Okay, my dear friends, and we have fourth this appreciate the victim compensation. Victim compensation is simultaneous with the final view taken in the respect of the alleged offense. Okay, an example, whether it was so committed or not, and thus there is no question of any imposition pre-finally of the matter, pre-trial. इस पे हम बात करेंगे, इसके बेसिस पे हम बात करेंगे. एंड देन देयर आफ्टर इन ए रीसेंट जजमेंट, जिसको हम इसमें इस जजमेंट में कंक्लूड करते हैं. इन ए रीसेंट जजमेंट ऑफ दिस कोर्ट इन धर्मेश वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ गुजरात, ये 2021 का केस है. इट वाज ओपाइंड दैट सच कंक्लूजन ऑफ ट्रायल of course of the same being a matter of discretion, the High Court's direction to accused. For the High Court direction to accused for deposit of compensation for the legal hires of deceased, जो victim है, जो deceased person है, as a condition for the bail cannot be sustained and thus logically set aside. Okay, dear friends, and then thereafter the court find that objectives in clear that in cases of offense against body, okay, आपको इंजरी किसी प्रकार को पहुंचता है तो क्या होता है, ऑफेंस अगेंस्ट बॉडी. ओके, कंपेंसेशन टू द विक्टिम शुड बी मेथडोलॉजी फॉर द रिडेम्पशन. सिमिलरली टू प्रेजेंट unnecessary harassment, compensation has been provided wherein the meaningless criminal proceeding had been started. Such a compensation can be hardly determined at the stage of grant of bail. Not being appreciate of such judicial misadventure. We have no hesitations in quashing the condition imposed in the impugned order in this behalf while maintaining the order. Aspects of the grant of anticipatory bail. The appeal is accordingly allowed learning participates to bail either their own costs. Okay, dear friends, and then thereafter in the session परिमल लॉ जजमेंट के ओर से आप लोगों को इस वीडियो में जो हमने 5 जजमेंट्स ये डिस्कशन किए, हमको विश्वास है कि आप इस वीडियो को देखेंगे एंड लाइक एंड शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करेंगे। ओके, धन्यवाद फ्रेंड्स।